How to make money on the mirror lines of support and resistance in the Forex market, we will talk about in this issue. I will show my reversal points based on these mirror lines. Let's start with the Euro-Australian dollar pair. If you are trading manually, use the resistance support lines. This is a very reliable tool, both for experienced traders and beginners even more so. Look, on the H1 time frame, we can see that several times the price has already broken away from the support line. This is a mirror support line. What is a mirror line? Look, initially, if we had highs, based on those highs, we made a resistance line. It was a resistance line here. Then, after the price has broken through this resistance line and comes back to it from the top downwards, that is to this line. Now this is the support line. Yes, it's a support line anyway, if the price touches it from above. But since this price was a resistance line before, we just left it. And strange as it may seem, when the price approaches it, after it has broken through it, it bounces off it again. And you can make money on it. It's called a mirror support line. Let's look at M15. Look, twice the price has already rebounded and the correction amounted to 216 points in the first case and 150 points in the second case. This means $216 and $150 from each lot you trade. As a reminder, to trade at least one lot, all you need is $100 and a broker that provides leverage. If you happened to visit my channel, that is, YouTube recommended my video to you, then you are in luck and you can get a free course. My trading training course. This is a basic course for beginners from scratch, from absolute zero. When you deposit $300 or more with a broker that I recommend, you can find the list in the description of the video. You get the course absolutely free. And so back to our mirror resistance lines. As you can see, the blue squares are reversal points. This is where you could buy and make money on the upside. Now the price has not gone up yet. It is likely to touch this line again as soon as it reaches the support line. Here we can buy again and capitalize on the upside. Mirror lines work very well several times. They can work as reversal points, so use them. Look for yourself carefully on the chart. They constantly appear on many currency pairs. The next currency pair where we will be looking for a mirror resistance support line is the Euro-Pound. The Euro-Pound is also one of my favorite cross-currency pairs. See, price also broke the support line, went down, and is now coming back up. Once it reaches this line from the other side, it will be a mirror resistance line. Before it was a classic support line, now it's a mirror resistance line. As soon as it reaches here, it will be possible to sell here and make money on the downward correction. The price is highly likely to break away from it. But even if it doesn't, there is always a safety net. Look, there is a classic resistance line up here. You can average from it. What is the strategy of averaging? See on my channel. A lot of videos. Also, my trading robot works on the averaging strategy. The next currency on which we also see a mirror support line is the euro dollar. The euro dollar is the most popular currency in the Forex market. As we can see, there is a mirror resistance line here. And as soon as it was broken, the price came back to this line, look, and broke away from the mirror support line already. So this support line can still work out quite well. Look. The price has already moved back. As soon as it comes back to this support line, we can buy from here again and make money on the growth. This is the signal here, a reversal point to buy. In general, there are many videos on my channel how to determine reversal points from resistance lines, support from mirror lines, resistance support. So, if you are serious about trading, you should subscribe to my channel. The next currency pair on which I also noticed a reversal line. This is the Euro-Swiss franc. The price has also gone beyond the resistance line and is now planning to go back up. But after any ascent, there is always a correction. It is inevitable. The only question is when. As soon as the price comes back and touches the support line, which is the mirror support line. From here, you can buy and make money on the upside. Mark this reversal point and capitalize on it. And let's talk about gold. I expect the correction to continue. And it is quite possible that the price may reach this support line. If the price comes to this line, it will be possible to buy from it and make money on the growth. I wish everyone successful trading using mirror support and resistance lines. Have a good week, everyone. Bye-bye.